So we have gone through till where? We
Yes,
have
we
gone
need to
through
start.
till the select class, right? So we'll start with actions today. Alert has been already been covered. I told you. Share the screen. Yeah, cool. So till calendar it's stable. Now see. So whatever the actions till now, wave element is the only interface from where we are getting the actions for the wave element, right? Click, send keys, or get attribute, get text. So whatever the type of interactions we needed from an element, those were coming from the wave element interface, correct? So, but still we might have left some actions like right click. Have you seen any method for the right click there in the wave element? No. Have you seen any element like drag and drop? Like we use drag and drop, right? So we haven't seen any method for those things, correct? So how can I do those things? So for that, actually, they have an actions class. Okay. This is also an class actions, especially coming from the Selenium point of view. Okay. And what is its function? It gives you some extra actions to do over the wave elements. So, but there is a difference between select class and action class. So there is majorly the functionality difference, but I'm not saying on that. I'm saying on the point of object creation. What? So if you see the select class, what was happening? The parameter was itself the particular element, right? The particular element of the dropdown in the constructor. That means that particular select class object will work for that dropdown only. If you have another dropdown, you have to create object again. Correct? Yes, no,
Yes, yes.
please. Yeah.
Yes.
But actions class object are not like that. Actions class take the driver as a parameter. That means when you initialize the object, that actions, whatever the object variable is, with new actions and give the parameter as driver, the driver itself is capable of doing the actions now. Okay. That means you don't have to create the object every time you need an action. You can just call over that particular object anytime you want. Okay. So that was the basic difference. So I'll come again for those who haven't understood. So let's go to here only. We are doing this one only. Okay, I have changed some things. You can see here. Don't worry. When you will read the framework, you'll understand. So what we have done in the select class, select SLT equals to new. Okay, I could have typed better. Select driver dot find element drop down one. So that's what we are doing, right? We are giving the select parameter as the find element directly. What is drop down one? You can see the drop down one is ID drop down. Okay. What is this? Don't ask me. Come, well, maybe I myself will teach later, but when the time will come. The select SLT equals to new select with the parameter is the driver with the particular drop down. That means this object is capable of selecting, deselecting, or whatever the type of things we want from the drop down only for this particular drop down. If I have another drop down, like drop down 2 or 3, what I have to do? Again, I have to create one more select.
Another object.
Yes. But actions doesn't go like that. Actions is a class. Actions act, most preferable object name for the actions. And its parameter is driver. That's it. So what will happen if you have to import, you see, interactions. So if you see here, now the driver itself, like I am saying, this act object now can do the functionality of a driver, and it has some extra interactions also. So that means if I see act dot see first click, why we need a click again? We already have a click, right, from the wave element. Why we need another? So in Selenium, just for knowledge, as of now I'm saying, for Selenium we have 3 clicks. Can anyone tell me? This click is left click only. Okay, left click. So can anyone tell me what are the 3 clicks in Selenium we have? We have already seen one, which is web element click. Okay. This is the second one, actions class click. And the last one is JavaScript executing click. Okay. JavaScript executor click. And there was one more actually, robot class click. So 4 clicks. Robot class click I don't want to mention. But see, why we need 4 clicks or 3 clicks? The importance is the functionality of these clicks. Everyone is left click. Everyone will do the left click only on that element. But how forceful it is. Okay. The first web element click is a normal click. The second one, actions class click, is more like a prominent click. Okay. Like, okay, it will go and click there. You have some more dependency on it. Okay. Like, even if normal click doesn't work, actions class click might work. The third level is JavaScript executor click. Even if action class click doesn't work there on that button, that okay, it's unable to click there. Actions class also unable to click there. Then JavaScript executor will click there. It's a 99% chance JavaScript executor will click there. Still JavaScript executor click is unable to click that button. You have robot class. Whatever happens, even the, the site is gone, site has cracked, but still robot class will perform its function, click. So that is the hierarchy of like, forceful click. First is web element click. That's very normal. Then comes the actions class click. It's kind of a little bit forceful. Then we have JavaScript executor click. It's more forceful. Then we have robot class click. You guys got me? So these all are left clicks only. Okay, anything is not right click here. So everything is left click, and this is the hierarchy. And now you will say why the element will not click. That's the question. Why the element will not be clickable with the normal click? So it happens because of the unstable UI. Okay. It happens. It's very normal. Like if you see our framework itself, say SRC main Java command code web actions. I'll show you one second. Yes. One second. Yes. You see, this is a click method we have created. Okay. What we have done, we have directly did the click. This is the web element click. You see web element click. Okay. We have another method. Click JSE. JavaScript executor click. See, scroll bar present, execute script, arguments click. These are JavaScript executor click. It's coming from the JavaScript executor. So that's what I'm, 1 second, I'll show you from here. See, JavaScript executor, execute script on the whatever the type execution you want, click, and on which element. So that's the point. I'm just saying that we have these two, even we have used robot class. I can show you the robot class also. Implementation is directly there. I'm not frightening you guys, just I'm showing. 1 second. Yes, we have commented because we didn't need anymore. You see robot class. So we did here key press, we didn't click. Okay, we did the tab, then enter. Okay. So this was the, so that's how the hierarchy is, because here the alert was not handled. We tried everything, then we thought, okay, it's not being handled, it's not getting the click, it's not getting the JavaScript executor click, let's do the robot class. That's the only option left for us. You guys got a little bit, right? So the clicks are there. There might be multiple clicks, but they have their importance. Okay. So now click. So here until now, what happened every time we have given driver.find element, then click. But we have another click, which is web element target. The parameter is the web element. Okay. In the parameter, you will say driver.find element, find element, then you will give the element. It will go and click there. We have click and hold. Okay. It will click and hold it there. Click and hold which particular element you can pass as an action also. Like as a parameter also the element. Very important, this method context click, which is what is context click? This is the right click of Selenium. Okay. People will ask you, how can you do right click? You have to say by using the context click method of actions class. Okay. You have the web element target also. Double click with the same like overloaded method. What is method overloading, guys?
Method name will be same and parameter number of
Same
parameters will
method
be
name, different parameters.
method name should be same. Will be wait.
Different parameters. Okay. Okay. So everyone open their chat. If I pull today's session a little bit longer, is that an issue for you guys?
Till 10 I'm fine.
Okay.
No from my end.
Sorry.
No issue, sir, from my end.
Okay, till 10 max I'll pull because I have also meetings today. Internal meetings. Okay. So can anyone tell me, are these method overloaded in the chat? Not anyone. Okay, let's come one by one. Wait, don't say anyone. Don't say the answer. Vaishnavi,
Yes.
can you tell me the two methods I have given in the chat, are they overloaded?
1 second.
I will add one more method. 1 second. Okay, let's go with the first. I don't want to confuse or waste much time. Vaishnavi, tell me, are these methods overloaded? One liner, yes or no?
Yes, because it's the same method.
So I
names.
don't need the
One
reason.
is
Wait. Yes or no?
yes,
Okay, thank you. Vishwa Teja,
Yes, sir.
are these methods overloaded?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srilekha,
Yes, sir.
are these methods overloaded?
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi, okay, Vaishnavi you already told, right?
yes,
Okay, Varun,
Sir.
yeah, same question, dude. I don't want to say again and again. Are these methods overloaded? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Sridhar,
No, sir.
it's not overloaded. Okay, you are the only, out of the box. Let's see who
I am
supports.
also with no, sir.
Okay, Sujit, you are also with no.
Yes.
Okay, don't change the party. Okay, it's not Indian politics.
Yes.
Balakrishna, are these methods overloaded? Okay, tell me one thing. Guys who think these methods are not overloaded, they raise your hand. Not overloaded. Okay. Please raise your hand if you think these methods are not overloaded. Okay, everyone else thinks these are overloaded. Okay, can anyone tell me why these methods are overloaded? Anyone? Why they are overloaded? me,
Using the
please.
same method names and
Okay, same method name and
with the parameters we can pass the overload method we can do, and without passing the by default also we can do the method overloading. Is it?
okay. So anyone has any more like reasons to make these two methods overloaded? So what are my methods? Public void M2. I'm giving M2 because here we have the M1 already. In B. And I had the same method. Okay, shift, Control C, Control V, int. I shouldn't have written this, Okay. So those who thinks this is not overloaded, why?
Sir, different return types.
But the method name
cannot be
is same,
overloaded.
dude, right? Method name is same.
But the return type is
But
different.
the parameters also same only, na sir?
Because the second method which has a written value and the above one is does not have a written value the same.
Yeah, but my question is, see, but they have the same method name. That's also a point, right?
Yeah.
But it having the same parameters also now.
Yeah,
Okay.
same
So now
parameters.
tell me, like, if you have public void, I'm sending in the chat again. Okay. Open the chat in B. So now tell me the second method from that and the third one I have sent, the second and third, are they overloaded?
Yes, sir, overloaded.
Yes, overloaded.
Sir.
First and third.
Second and the third one, are they overloaded?
Yes.
Yeah, everyone lower your hands, please. Second and third, are they overloaded? Now raise your hand. Who thinks yes, they are overloaded? Second and third one, they are overloaded. Raise your hand. Okay. Sujit, what about you?
No, sir, it's not overloaded. Again, I feel the same return type issue. And the parameter numbers is changing. That is okay with the overloading concept, but only the return type I'm feeling it's not.
Okay. Okay, I don't know what you guys are thinking of overloading. Cool. We have 2 minutes. Can you guys join again in the link? I'll explain the overloading.
Yeah.
Please join the link again.
Yeah.